Eto, hindi nyo rin maiiwasan sa office yung may nababackstab sa'yo, tama?
Yes.
Diba? Yung pag-uusapan ka, pag tanghalian, ikaw ang topic, pag wala ka, ikaw ang topic, pag inuman, ikaw ang topic. Lahat ng hindi totoo tungkol sa'yo, pag-uusapan nila, gagawin ka ng kwento, ikaw yung pag-uusap. Kumbaga, ikaw yung gagawin nila topic para, para maging masaya sila. Kasi you know what? No matter how successful you are, no matter how successful you are, just sleep ka na. Okay. So, sorry na, pagod ako, kayo na pa ako nagsalita. I just came from Malacca, I just came from another talk. This is my second talk for the day. So, kailangan na. Kailangan mo pahinga. Going back, no matter how successful you are, no matter how successful you are, you cannot please everyone. Kahit anong galing mo, kahit anong achievement mo, meron at merong babasag sa'yo. Sabihin niyo sa akin, sinong presidente ang walang haters? Lahat ng naging presidente ng Pilipinas, yung supporters, meron ding haters. Sinong artistang sikat ang kilala nyo na maraming followers na walang haters? Diba? So, eto mga sikat na tao to, presidente, politiko, mga successful people, people in power, people with influence. In spite of the achievements they have, they still get bashed. They still get talked about negatively. So, ang inisip ko nun, para hindi na lang ako mabad trip, pag binabackstab nila ako, ibig sabihin, para pala akong artista, para pala akong politiko. May value pala ako. Kasi remember this, a person with value is the person that's being talked about. Pag wala kang kwenta, wala kang ginagawa, wala kang value, ba't ka nila pag-uusapan? Kasi usually, ang kinaiingitan, yun yung pinag-uusapan. Kasi they can't have what you have. If they talk about you negatively at your back, ibig sabihin, they see something great in you that they can't have. So, to cope up with that, they look at the negative things in you, yun ang i-highlight nila. Kasi yun ang way nila para to cope up na, bakit kayo, ba't yung pinupuri yan? Hindi rin yan perfect, ito yung imperfection niya. Hina-highlight nila yung imperfection niyo. So when somebody talks about you negatively, binabackstab ka, be happy. Ibig sabihin kasi, may value ka, pinag-uusapan ka. It means you're doing something great. Like ngayon, I'm very impressed.